If you're watching this as someone who gets a little bit better then goes backwards, takes 2 steps forward or 1 or 2 steps back, and constantly stays on this roller coaster of symptoms feeling stuck, you've been down this journey. The idea of motivation and positive thinking will only get you so far, but it's never going to lead you to ultimate freedom. You only have so much mental and emotional willpower. But motivation and positive thinking is never going to allow you to truly thrive. When we understand the science of what's actually going on, why you feel this way, and how to overcome this, you no longer need to hope and pray. You just need to follow the proven steps needed to get back to thriving. The biggest lie we're told is that eventually, if you wait long enough and think positive, you're going to improve. But time does not solve this problem. Waiting only prolongs the problem. I know because I've tried this for years. If you look at your journey and how you've improved in the past, really think about what you did or didn't do to see that small leap in progress.